this video, we'll show you how to set up your new Everykey. First, download and install the Everykey app from everykey.com/downloads. After the app has finished installing, open it. Once you've opened the app, you will be prompted to create an Everykey Vault account. The Everykey Vault is where your passwords are securely stored. To create an Everykey Vault account, first enter your email, then click the blue arrow. Next, we'll need some information in order to create your Everykey Vault account. This information helps us verify your account if your Everykey is ever lost or stolen. First, create a password for your Everykey Vault account. This is the last password you'll ever have to remember. Now re-enter that password in the Confirm Password field. Finally, enter your name and birthday. Now you will be asked to answer at least 2 security questions. Click the drop-down arrow next to Security Question 1, then select your first question. Next, type your answer in the Answer field. Repeat this same process for your second security question. Finally, click Register to complete the registration process. A confirmation email will now be sent to the email address associated with your new Everykey Vault account. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see the email in your inbox. If you haven't received the email within 5 minutes, click Send Email again. Once you've received the confirmation email, click the link within that email to complete the account setup process. The screen will automatically advance once you have confirmed your email address. The last step is to pair your Everykey to your computer. Press and hold the button on the back of your Everykey until the blue and red LED lights start flashing, as shown on the screen. Your Everykey is now in pairing mode. Click the Search button in order to begin searching for your Everykey. Once your Everykey appears on the screen, click the Pair button to initiate the pairing process. Your Everykey is now pairing with your computer. While it's pairing, your Everykey is transmitting encrypted information to your computer, which will be used to keep your password secure. During this step, your Everykey may also update its firmware, which can take up to 5 minutes. Once pairing is complete, you may be asked to enter the password to your computer. Everykey needs this password in order to unlock your computer when it's close by. Enter the password you use to access your computer, then click Submit. That's it! You're now set up and ready to start using your Everykey.